How to delete temporary update files in Windows 10 और 11। विंडोज 10 एंड 11 में टेम्पररी फाइल्स को किस तरह से डिलीट करेंगे, आइए हम देखते हैं। सबसे पहले आपको क्लिक करना होगा सर्च बटन पे या फिर विंडोज प्लस आर क्लिक करना होगा। देन टाइप हेयर परसेंटेज टीएमपी देन परसेंटेज देन click enter. You can see here these are temporary files automatically downloads and capture your device storage and slowing the PC. So I need this is not essential for me. Then I delete here. First of all, Control A, then click on delete button, then click enter, and I do this for all current item. And if try again, not deleted, but I skip this three content, and these are virus. So virus and used in any uh, software. So this is not deletable, and I eject this and I open the cycle bin and select or and click on delete button and control enter. Yes, this is empathy on TMT folder. I check Windows plus R button, click press enter. These are not deletable, but I try again. So these are not deletable. Skip and forget it. So this is how to delete temporary update files on Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful, then click subscribe button and do like, share and comments on this video. Thanks for watching this video.